Picture this, a bad storm hits and the power goes out. Now you're stuck wondering how to cook dinner. It's a reality so many have faced and one that you can be ready for. Today in the 521 Preparedness Plan, we'll explore simple off-grid cooking solutions that work. So when the power goes out, you'll know exactly what to do. Dutch ovens are another really excellent tool for cooking and baking off the grid. There's a number of different ways you can use them. Here we're using an open campfire with coals, but you could also use charcoal briquettes or even a grill for a more even temperature. Here we have stew cooking over the fire. We also have a bread that's baking, and then we did some cinnamon rolls. All with the coals just from our fire here.
So the cinnamon rolls are done and I'm going to put on the frosting.
This is another off-grid cooking option. It's a sun oven and the reflectors reflect the sun into the glassed-in area here and the temperature goes up on the thermometer. Obviously you got to have some direct sun. This is not a sunny day and so the temperature isn't getting very high. But if you're in a location where you get a good bit of sun, then this could be a decent option for you. And the one thing I would say is this isn't a cheap option. It is going to cost a little bit.
If you have a wood stove, check and see if you can cook on it like I'm doing here.
This is our summertime canning stove. When it's too hot to can inside, we'll set this up outside and you can can a whole bunch of stuff on one tank of propane. And so this could also make a great emergency stove for cooking, or you could use your camp stove, or if you have a grill of some sort, a propane or a charcoal grill, you can use that as long as you've stashed up on briquettes or charcoal chunks or propane.
So try these methods before you need them. Pick which methods might work for your situation and then practice them. Try cooking with a campfire or using a Dutch oven so you know how they work. You might be surprised at how easy and fun it can be. Try making breakfast on a camp stove or baking bread in a Dutch oven. The more you practice now, the easier it will be when you really need it. And don't forget to keep extra fuel and supplies on hand. Stock up on your propane, charcoal, and firewood. It's better to have it and not need it than the other way around. And be sure to check out the resources page for links and more info. Just visit thereadylife.com/521 and we'll see you tomorrow on the 521 Preparedness Plan. All right, who wants a cinnamon roll?